Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 170, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. And the Do Not Disturb mode is useful in cases if you want to mute the notifications on your watch, basically, because the mode is designed to prevent your watch from disturbing you. It mutes the notifications when you turn it on, and when you turn it off, it unmutes them. And of course, I'm going to show you how to use it or how to enable it. So let's get started. And to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, you need to press and hold the light button to open the controls menu. Here, you can scroll through this menu by swiping on the screen, around the screen, basically. What you need to do is to find the Do Not Disturb mode icon and select it. And once you select it, hover over it, basically, you will see the status of the mode. And as you can see right now, for me, it is turned off. And if you want to turn it on, you need to tap on the icon or press the start button to change the status. And now the status is on, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled and the notifications are muted at the moment. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and you can use your watch normally when the mode is enabled, of course. And if you want to disable the mode, you open the control menu again by pressing and holding the light button. You select the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Once you select it, you tap on it or press the start button, and the mode will be disabled. And that's how you basically enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.